Hi everyone. So let's solve another easy LeetCode question, which is contains duplicate. So problem statement says, suppose we are given an array of integers, we have to find if array contains any duplicates or not. So for this particular array, there is duplicate 1, so we'll return true. And for this array, there is no duplicate, so we'll return false. Okay, so let's talk about different implementation that we could do. So one would be that for each element we check out if this one exists in our array or not. So say for one we'll check out if one exists in remaining elements or not. If it exists, we'll return true. Otherwise, we'll move on to next element and we'll follow the same procedure for remaining elements. So this would provide us complexity of Pigo and square. Another good approach would be to sort the element and then check if an element exists more than once in continuous manner. If yes, then return true, otherwise return false. So in that case, the complexity would be big and log n, because whatever sorting algorithm you provide, it would have a complexity of big and log n, right? Um, Another good approach would be that could actually provide us complexity of Pico and would be to use some data structure. So so, I mean, in most of these questions, using set or map as a data structure actually results in better time complexity. So, if you're given any such problem, think of the way if you could somehow fit set or map in your solution. So, for this problem, we could actually use set, and while traversing, we can put our elements in our set, and if we are seeing the element again, then we'll simply return true. So let's implement the solution. So we'll have set where we'll store our unique elements. Let's call it unique. We would need at least array length elements. And now let's traverse on our array. If this element exists, that means this array does contain duplicate. Otherwise, we'll simply put this element. And if by the end of this loop we haven't returned back the response, that means there were no duplicate, we'll simply return false. Let's submit our solution. Okay, so our solution is accepted and we have passed all the test cases. Uh, put out the link to this problem statement and as well as to my GitHub repository where you could find out a solution to this problem. And if you give it a try to this problem, please put out a comment and and if in case you found out any issue, then also do let me know. I'll try to help you out. And thanks for watching. That's it for today's video.